Hello. Okay, so this. Yeah, I'm gonna go buy more if he does that. This might go down here. This is definitely gonna go back down here. See how the 30 market cap look like. Consolidation. We gotta break out through this size. We got there. We got support at
Hey, yo, I give you a task, okay? Make sure you wake me up at 11 o'clock. Okay? If I don't wake up, like, make sure, like, until I start walking, don't leave me alone. Okay? Because, bro, I cannot just keep on missing work like that.
Yeah, if we can break out through this trend line, we're gonna become millionaires. I don't know how this works though. I ain't gonna touch it. But this sound like the color, bro. Color. Okay, let's go good. I'm gonna do 2K, but alright, let me get into my stuff. Chat. Now look at this. Daily Polish. Let's get the /2/2024 market daily bites. Let's get into it. 4 hour looks like bullish. Breaks each other upside. 1 hour is bullish as well. We don't want to break each other down. Let's go to DXY. Oops, there's from yesterday. Yeah, that happened as well. So 4 hour bearish. 1 hour bearish. That's good. When DXY goes down, gold goes up. That's what we want. So let's now go back to gold. What do we got in the 4 hour? We got anything in the 4 hour? Roll it down. Actually, we can go right here for the bullish side, right? Go down. Boom. This broke out. This right here. This leg up. Is a breakup block, but that's so much down. That's not gonna probably go there. What we got is a sell side liquidity sweep, but we don't want it to happen until market open. Oh, we just swept our highs. Okay. The next highs are still here. Buy side liquidity, and for this, we're gonna do Fibonacci retracement. For that, let's go. We could probably sweep out these lows right over here. Sweep out these lows. Okay, let's go 30 minute. We got this. Do we got this order block? This leg down. Boom. Prior to the break. No, that's not a thing. Okay. 15 minute. Okay, so boom. Broke structure up right here. This move was a breakup block that goes up. We had a fair value gap touched. Order block touched. So what we could do, look for more down here. We got a fair value gap that hasn't gotten touched yet. The 30 minute, you got touched, but hourly you got touched as well. But this looks like a good spot. That we got that move like down prior to the breakup structure. What was the consecutive candles that caused it to go up? Boom. The breakup structure was right here. Boom. Consecutive candles right here. Boom. He could possibly touch this breaker block, but I don't feel like. Yeah, but he definitely will possibly. Let's hope. 4 hour. Okay, so you took the recent drawn liquidity from the buy side in gold, so that's a leg down. But we wanted to take sell side liquidity from the downside now for it to go back up. That's what we want. Okay, for DXY, it took buy side liquidity from the buy side and went down, so that's good. Now we want to look for some retracements. 4 hour took buy side, so that's a good movement. 1 hour, we got anything in the hourly. So sell side, like go to the sell side, boom, there's leg up. That's the breakup structure right here. This leg down is a breakup block that he touched already once. This whole thing was a breakup block. Breakup block that got touched once. We could possibly go touch it again and sweep all these highs inside of it. Now we'll go 30 minute. 30 minute, we got this for value gap. So let's go to 15 minute. We got his other thing, doesn't matter about that. But let's see if we can find another breakup block. Up, breakup structure. This whole thing is a breakup block, but you already got touched. So what we want is basically sweep out these highs, go up here, sweep out these hourly buy side, touch this breakup block, then go back down. For the sell side liquidity is where the sell side liquidity. I mean, it could be this whole accumulation that's down here. If you guys really think about it, like, I don't know why I'm talking so quiet. That it could go down here, but we could see if you go to daily time frame, where can it go? Go to hourly. Because the next round liquid here, so it could go all the way down here to this huge accumulation area. That's where you want to head to and towards. Or we could go to equilibrium. From a swing low to a swing high. Swing low to a swing high is like right here. Or what we could do is go from this bottom of it, bottom of this, to top of this. And we could head to this as well if he wants to, but we don't have to. That's what we want for today. And let's check one more time of this equilibrium that's near us, right onto us. You go up here, touch it, and go back down, which is the discount spot. For gold spot, we could do is go to hourly. Gotta get the recent one that's just down here. We already are in the discount spot, doesn't really matter. So now that's what we want for. I'm bullish for gold and bearish for DXY. That's what I want for today. Thank you for watching. Let's get it. YouTube. That's what I want. Let's get it. Let's get it, chat. Oh my god, stop playing with me, gang. Why does gold look like that? Ew. It looks on outside. It looks on outside. Ah. Bro, you guys gotta listen to this guy. This guy's a famous person. I like this guy. I like these billionaire bears.
Buy on blue, sell on red. This new indicator gives extremely accurate trade signal.
Hold up, chat. Can you guys hear me, chat? You can hear me clear, yeah, chat? Chat. Chat!
At the start, it was all different. No, this isn't your white picket fence American dream start. I mean, the kid was popping pills for Christ's sake. Yeah, you think that sounds wild? Wait until you hear this next part. He didn't even need them. That's right. His mom was what you call a hypercon. At the start, it was all different. No, this isn't your white picket fence American dream start. I mean, the kid was popping pills for Christ's sake. Yeah, you think that sounds wild? Wait until you hear this.
Wait, the key to do your own risk daily base.
At the start, it was all different. No, this isn't your white picket fence American dream start. I mean, the kid was popping pills for Christ's sake. Yeah, you think that sounds wild? Wait until you hear this next part. He didn't even need them. That's right. His mom was what you call a hypochondriac and self-diagnosing champion. A true medical infomercial evangelist.
Today, 3 out of 4 doctors recommend the ingredients in Anacin for headache pain.
She decided Kyle will be better off getting started on medication early. For his health, of course. In reality, it helped Kyle put on weight. Growing up lower middle class, his family lived paycheck to paycheck. With hand-down clothes from his father and a daily medication routine, Kyle was different. It separated him from the kids at school. Luckily, his father was a hotel manager in Miami, so when the hotel switched owners, the entire family relocated to Dallas, Texas. Thrown into a new environment, the kid was desperate to change.
Spotlight.
And shit did. Kyle flipped the script. He loved the waters. In Dallas, he developed a passion for diving. His relentless work ethic for diving later became the backbone of his trading. He worked so hard, he even got a scholarship. Besides diving, college was boring. Chemistry labs, molecules, anatomy, yawn. It's putting me to sleep already. But that's where his life was heading, and he hated it. Every chance he got, Kyle hit the waters to get his mind off things. In his junior year at uni, he faced a choice, picking an elective. Knowing he couldn't take another life-draining class, instead he wanted something more exciting. In his search, he came across a class titled Options and Futures. Deep down, money has always sparked his curiosity. Ever since his childhood and his deep-rooted anxiety towards it, he wanted to learn more, so he took a chance. And like an elk steak fresh off the grill, its juicy taste consumed him. Up till now, his relationship with money had been one of fear and ignorance, even though his class covered a lot of the basics: bonds, stocks, options. To Kyle, it was the book of revelations, the key to escaping living life paycheck to paycheck. After the first class, Kyle took the class book back to his dorm. In a week, he had finished the whole book. Despite his pre-med basis, Kyle finished top of the class, and it ignited his fame. He wanted to switch major. Fearing his parents' reactions, he debated his choice. Could he do it? What if he didn't do it? Would he spend the rest of his life bored out of his mind and unhappy as a doctor? Nah, he didn't want that. So for the first time in his life, the kid followed his gut. He switched his major to finance with a focus on real estate. Real estate had always been historically somewhat safe. Right after, he went crazy. Kyle had become obsessed. He was so intrigued with mastering the concept of money. Every day after class, he walked off campus reading any finance book he could get his hands on. Plus, we're talking any Vincent Norman Peale and Tony Robinson book out at a time, and Tony Robinson wrote a lot.
I did.
In exchange for his college parties and endless diving, at a slow pace, he became comfortable with finance. Naturally, the kid graduated with a degree in finance and undergrad in real estate. He walked away with a solid understanding of finance and a feeling of direction. From a spark flame, it grew into a burning desire. His curiosity for compounding interest molded into resolve. He knew he wanted to achieve financial freedom by mastering finance. And to become a grandmaster in finance, he knew he would have to play in the big leagues. There was only one place to go that's wild enough to satisfy those desires: Wall Street. In the early 1990s, Wall Street was not a place you walk into. You were born into it. Yeah, business was booming, there was plenty of positions, but it was a dog-eat-dog environment. Competitive firms were doing whatever they could to get an edge, and only hiring the best of the best was part of it. And best not as in skill, but best as in fanciest credentials. You know, the Princeton, Harvard, Stanford type of credentials. Places where you couldn't get in unless you had a wealthy family or senior position uncle who would get you that spot. It was cutthroat. But Kyle had already overcome his first obstacle, his mindset. I mean, he was still permanently spinning pens and tapping his feet in every conversation. But hey, mentally, he now had direction. He wanted to get into Wall Street. He wanted to prove himself and achieve true financial freedom, no matter what the cost. Educated on money, Kyle was now thinking like the wealthy, aiming to minimize the time he traded for money. Plus, he had picked up the habit of reading books, from which he learned the power of positive thinking and grit. His credentials were probably as worthy as Dogecoin, yet he refused to compromise. There was nothing to go back to. Kyle had made a simple decision. He was going to interview with every single Wall Street firm until one of them let him in. Kyle wrote countless letters. Sacrificing any last bit of pride he had, he knocked on all their doors. But it got him interviews. And some of these interviews were at retail brokerages. After his third interview at the retail brokerage firm Prudential Securities, the interviewer asked him, "Listen, Kyle, I'm going to be honest with you. We normally only hire experienced professionals, people who are moving to their second career. We've never hired someone who's straight out of college. So why should I hire you?" Or translated transparently, why hire a kid with limited economic understanding and no wealthy connections? To which Kyle responded, "Because if you don't, you'll be sorry." But the high was quick to pass. This was Wall Street. And as a lot of rookies on Wall Street, it was straight to the trenches. For a year and a half, Kyle got his start at Prudential Securities, where he went through all their global trading program. With minimal pay and crazy overtime hours, it's mentally tough. His superiors tore his guts out. He had no personal life, but going through that program, Kyle learned a lot. All the different hierarchies of thought and specializations of the big firms. The prodigy finished top of class at Prudential. Within no time, he got an offer for Bear Stearns. With the $2,500 he had earned, he he bought his first ticket to Geneva to explore a new industry, hedge funds. While it's nothing new to you traders now, at the time, it was revolutionary. Like crypto nowadays, in the 90s, hedge funds was the new booming game. Kyle wanted in, but he was still a rookie. His new role at Bear Stearns was simple: make the big shots look good. He started out as a research analyst. He researched potential interesting company stocks and presented his findings. The big shots he pitched his ideas to were a group of short sellers. Inspired by their work, Kyle competed against fellow rookies and tried to work hard to impress the big shots. Working long hours and often pulling nighters, Kyle was hungry. His focus in life was identifying overvalued or fraudulent stocks. He researched everything from East Germany shipyards to Texas mortgage lenders. Kyle's macro analysis skills were growing. His research tips were solid, but it wasn't enough. If you wanted to get ahead and move up the ranks, you needed an edge. Something all the big shots at the firm would turn to you for. An edge that no one else developed. After years of grinding his way up at Bear Stearns, Kyle had developed his edge. He developed the talent for sniffing out corrupt bullshit, and he wasn't afraid to let anyone know. Short selling based on macro analysis.
Let's keep it simple. Remember major events like Japanese asset bubble in 1986 and 1991? Imagine if it goes short against the inflated Japanese asset as an American. That's pretty much how it is. So basically the US, the Forex market, instead of focusing on the global events impact on the US market, you short the foreign markets. So when USD goes up, every other market goes down. That's why this guy's so smart. He's Forex trader.
See, Kyle was smart. He realized that most traders were limiting themselves by focusing only on the US markets. Kyle wanted to keep the freedom of looking at a global scale. Even though he often made micro-scale trades, shorting overvalued US company stocks was still the name of the game. But with his macro perspective, he could also take global-driven event trades. This liberty allowed him to concentrate only on trades with the largest upside. His edge was unique, and every big shot at the firm wanted a piece of it. At the age of 28, Kyle became Senior Managing Director, one of the youngest in Bear Stearns' history. His tireless dedication had paid off, but not without paying a hefty price. He'd sacrificed his youth to the firm. Despite being behind the analysis of some of the greatest trades, he was still answering to the big shots. While he did all the work, he still relied on the so-called experts to make the final judgment call. They were the decision makers. From shaping his mindset in college to crafting his skills and unique edge over the years, Kyle had grown. But in order to satisfy his grand ambition and truly achieve freedom, he decided there was one final step to take. Risking everything he had built over the years at Bear Stearns, Kyle decided to start his own firm. He launched his firm, Heyman Capital Management LP, with $5 million of his own money and $28 million from investors. The pressure and constant feeling of anxiety reached new highs, but he knew it was his only shot at achieving his grand ambition. But starting your own firm is not exactly a walk in the park. It's like chewing on a piece of glass and staring into the abyss. Not exactly a fun experience, unless you're into that, of course. To build a hedge fund, you need reputation. Since your sole purpose is to manage other people's money, you need to figure out how to get the wealthiest eyeballs on you. And well, Kyle had jack shit. Other hedge funds managers have reputations from their iconic trades and historic performances. Kyle wasn't known for anything. To make matters worse, he was now responsible for the livelihood of other people. Kyle was good-natured. He hated firing people. Trying to figure things out, he was burning through his fund's war chest, a lot of it his own money. With average performance, some of the investors started to express their doubts. Kyle had gone from the golf court back to trenches. He needed a home run play quick. He felt the pressure tightening around his neck.
El río fluye, nunca solo está, no solo está.
While at a wedding in Spain, Kyle was taking the edge off with some fine wine, finally catching a breather. He struck up a passing conversation with an NYC investment banker who brought up an interesting topic: synthetic CDOs. That's right, a bubble boy. For those of you that watched The Big Short, it was the key to the 2007 housing market crash. AKA the synthetic CDO was the atomic bomb with a drunk president holding his finger over the button.
For those who haven't seen, a CDO is a package of crappy mortgage-backed banks sold to others. By putting them in a package, they're able to disguise them with fake rating. It makes it look like there are a value inside. Nobody who bothered to look at these packages as they trusted the rating agency until things collapsed.
Cal couldn't believe it. Confused with the depth of dog shit behind the conversation, he knew he had to learn more. So at the hotel after, this dude gave him a number to a CDO manager. At the end of the day, he took the call with the manager, who proceeded to explain to him the true complexities of dog shit CDOs. While he learned a lot from the call, Cal felt more anxious and disturbed than ever. If he was right, it would bring down the entire economy and destroy millions of lives. Chilled to the bone, all his trained corruption and fraud detecting instincts pointed him towards a massive opportunity. He smelled the dog shit miles away. He had to figure this thing out, so he set his eyes on a California shop called Quick Loan Funding. Small place started by a guy named Daniel Sadek, ex-car salesman. But the dude was printing money. He even funded a $35 million film for his fiancée actress. His firm hired private investigators to test how hard it would be to get a mortgage. Within no time, the investigators all secured mortgages with no income verification or down payment. Based on additional internal research, this was the biggest case in American history. He knew he had hit gold, the kind of trade that would get him his reputation. But no one believed him. Every investor he pitched said he was crazy. He pitched hundreds of investors in an attempt to get more capital. With minimal success, it looked hopeless. No one cared. The pressure from running his own firm was building up. Burning through his cash, losing even more investors' faith, he had nowhere left to turn. This call would make or break him, potentially losing everything and utter humiliation in the industry. His back was against the wall. With all the experienced investors telling him he was wrong, it was hard to swallow. When everyone tells you you're crazy, you're the one that's insane. The fear was paralyzing. One night, working overtime in the office, he started daydreaming, reminiscing on how far he came, his childhood, the medication, deciding to become a doctor, the courage of changing his path, and the years dedicated to proving others that he was great. His constant fear of feeling inadequate, it had always driven him. And then it hit him. Nothing had changed. It was the so-called medical experts all over again. Everyone always knows better. Regurgitating theory from the college medical books or rephrasing Morgan Stanley research reports in their fancy brownie suits. They all had the answers. But how many of them actually do the work? He knew he did, and he knew the corruption he found. And so Kyle made the call. Despite the high stakes, he would rather go out betting on himself than to continue through the fear of others. Kyle decided he would have faith in his own work. Reignited by his youthful flame, Kyle set out to short the housing market. He switched up his approach. Instead of pitching investors the opportunity, he pitched them the low risk to reward. His new approach.
What'd you say, brother? Yo, what you look to do, short or long? I'm doing longs, brother. I want to sweep off these lows, then go up. Because DXY, you can see DXY is down, right? So I want to go touch this, sweep off this high, then go down. My bad, bro. I was just watching a movie. Cause like, it's a movie about trading. Cause I need to watch it. Cause I'm broke. I'm broke.
Approach was more risk averse. To reassure investors, he shorted the time frame. Instead
Stop the collapse.
of going in early and maximizing your profits, instead he
investor got in. Okay, where other investor got in. Start of the collapse. Where Kyle got in now. With a number short, the collapse.
Wait and let the key indicators fall first, and then go in. Fewer profits, but more investors, and it was the right call. With more investors on board, Heyman Capital took all hands on deck to prepare their biggest bet. There was no going back. Kyle went all in. If they failed, his firm Heyman would be over. It's August 26, and the head trader at Heyman Capital charges towards Kyle's office. The KPIs they tracked on the mortgages had fallen below their set entry point. Unnoticed to most, the falling dominoes had hit a point of no return. Kyle's team began purchasing CDSs as a bet against the multi-trillion-dollar subprime mortgage market. This was it. What followed was months of suspense and disbelief that their positions weren't marked down the way they should. The costs? Millions in premiums. But unlike Michael Burry, he had started his trade way later. As in early 2007, his bet started playing out. Profits started rolling in. Fear had started spreading as subprime mortgage lenders started going bankrupt. Instead of enjoying the wins, Kyle managed to get more investors to tag along in his trade, doubling down on his play. The next few months were the most stressful period of his life. If the fraudsters figured out a way to keep up the facade, Kyle's wins would revert back to the premiums, and he could once again lose it all. It was the perfect trade. When it was all said and done, Heyman Capital made close to $4 billion for its investors off the trade. Kyle used the leverage power of derivatives to short sell about $4 billion of subprime securities to synthetic CDO market. In the following months, news spread of Kyle's legendary trade. He had earned a reputation, so much so that Kyle testified as an expert witness before the U.S. House of Representatives and the Financial Crisis Inquiry Commission. With Heyman Capital's success
Bro,
and making millions.
this is what insiders are, bro. Oh my goodness, dog. Salam, brother. What's up, brother? Salam alaikum. Wa alaikum salam, brother. This is what insider traders are, bro. Oh my god.
For himself in the process, Kyle felt he had become a master of his own fate. While the legendary short saved his firm and made him crazy rich, Kyle was still looking ahead, driven by his constant fear of inadequacy and the pleasure of proving people wrong.
I constantly feel inadequate, which maybe is what drives me.
Kyle has his eyes set on becoming an A-plus firm. For the past few years, Kyle has been focusing his research on what he believes is the next big opportunity for the coming decade: China,
Evergrande on the brink of collapse,
and Japan.
It will be further depreciated, or because it can be
Oh yeah.
it can be coming back.
You got, bro. This guy literally trading forex, bro. This guy literally trading forex. I need to be like him.
back.
But what does your own research work tell you? Is he right?
Hell yeah. The key is to do your own work.
Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Subscribe, lock on. See you in the next one.
Bro, you guys gotta watch that thing video, man. That guy's a goat, man. That's a guy's a goat. That guy's a goat, mate. That's what I like to watch, bro. You guys gotta watch this one. You guys gotta listen to this one, bruv. Bruv, you guys gotta listen to this one, bruv. Hold up, bruv. If you guys don't listen to this one, you guys are missing out, bruv. Listen to this one, bruv.
Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.
Bro, you guys gotta listen to this one. Let me get you the right one, brother. This one is the most powerful one.
Jesse Livermore made $1.8 billion off a single trade. You ever wonder what it would feel like to make $1 million off of one trade? As a young trader, I dreamed of it, and the truth led me here. Since you want a taste of my trading secrets, I'll show you my trading journey and my dog pain.
It's the dawn of a new world order. As America exits the Civil War, it's on track to becoming an industrial giant and birthing America's most powerful day trader. But a war between two American tycoons is shaking the very foundation of the country and potentially collapsing the entire economy. Leading the attack is Edward Henry Harriman. Harriman is an infamous stock market speculator. His skills managed to get him control of the Union Pacific Railroad. As railroads lead America's economic boom, Harriman plans to monopolize the entire industry. To realize his ambition, Harriman teams up with the cunning banker Jacob Schiff. Schiff leads investment bank Kuhn, Loeb & Company. Schiff was known for bringing in large European bank loans to fund America's industry. Together, they got capital backing from the Rockefellers, Vanderbilts, and the Golds. Their plan of attack was simple: use their immense capital to secure control over the West Coast territory, from Omaha to California. But they faced an immediate crisis as one of America's most powerful industrial tycoons made his own advance on a railway monopoly.
That railroad trade was my first big trade in New York. During those times, New York was wild, and I was young. I had yet to learn just how ruthless the markets could be. When I lost everything, I often learned the greatest lesson.
Miserable, the boy was desperately searching for a home. He loved school, but his father forced him to drop out to help out with the farm. Destroyed, he decided to run away from home. With the help of his mother's $5, she arranges a place for him to stay in the city to find a job. But the boy decides to follow his own desire, taking a cab to a place that fascinated him the most: stockbrokers Payne, Weber, and Co. Watching day traders on the floor captivated him. The loud cheers after life-changing profits. The wall of noise as each trader battles for survival.
What's good, Erwin, brother? Good day, brother. Yeah, brother. Hello, news there in New York. Yeah, I see it. Actually, I forgot what time of news. It should be at 10 a.m., right? Yeah. 10 a.m., so there's only one news. We chill.
The rush feels amazing. Charming the owners into a temporary job, he works as a chalk boy for $5 a week. His job was to write down prices from the ticker tape onto a quotation board, a big board for traders to view every 15 minutes. While nobody's going to teach trading to a simple chalk boy, his own curiosity came up with an idea. He starts memorizing all the stock numbers at night, trying to find the patterns and theorizing price action. The next morning, he checks the price action and compares it to his theories, doing it all over the next day.
Bro, this is both basically ICT concepts of shit.
After months of repetition, his confidence grows as he wants to try his first bet. While he can't trade at the brokerage, he discovers a shady new place to make his own bet. Industrial tycoon J.P. Morgan also had his eyes set on a railway monopoly. He wants it for his gigantic United States Steel Corporation to transport cheaper and international. As America's greatest financier, his will breaks opposition. J.P. Morgan lends his financial weight to empire builder James J. Hill, the railroad top dog, expanding his railroad empire, the Great Northern Railroad. With Morgan's financial backing, they buy out competitor Northern Pacific, granting them control over their northern front. As the industry blasts forward, they battle to secure the centerpiece. Chicago Burlington Railroad Company was run by Charles Eliot Perkins. While both parties attempt to talk Perkins into a merger, he refuses. He isn't interested unless they offer a crazy $200 per share. But unknown to everyone, Morgan and Hill had made a cunning move. Through third parties, they started buying up Burlington stock on the public market. Their position is so large, internal board members' pressure is building up, forcing Perkins' hand to side with Northern Pacific. As news spread of their partnership talks, Harriman is furious. Refusing defeat, Harriman decides to strike them at their heart. Harriman begins buying shares of Northern Pacific. As the Titan wage war, Wall Street is in a frenzy. Everybody wants to buy the industrial boom. The entire Wall Street hopes to buy stocks of the railroad winner. Even retail investors are frantic. One man is waiting on the sidelines, Ahead of the frenzy, he secured a sizable investment in Northern Pacific, the notorious speculator Jesse Livermore. The shady bucket shops is where he learned his first painful lesson. Bucket shops were gambling pubs. It's where you bet on stocks going up or down without actually owning the stock. Filled with common folks, it's the perfect spot for him to test his theories. He makes his first winning trade of $3 by testing patterns he had memorized from his chalkboard work. It felt unbelievable, but the high was...
He fucking made so much money. He paid $1.1 billion, right? Oh shoot, we got it. Oh shoot, hey, how the sesh going? $5 a week is ODE. What you watching? Share it instead of boring as hard. Yeah, I got you, bro. Hold up, bro. This guy, bro, like $5. He made $500, right? Right now he's worth like $274. Hold on, how do I share this? How do I share my screen? I forgot how to share it. Let me go to shit. Video capture, right? Video capture. Let me put that shit. Cause this shit is not gonna move. Hold up. How do I? Right here. Hold on. I gotta change that shit. Hold on. I got the wrong spot. Get your ass back here. Oh shit. Oh no, my wrong spot. What the fuck? Where'd I go? I literally left my video. Oh my god, bro. Oh more. You should wait. You should do. We call it share instead of going on chart. You should get a stream overlay that shows the chart and then one that shows the video. I don't know how I could do that, bro. I wish I could know how to do that. Cause I want to put my chart right here. So I can watch a chart, but you guys can't see it, but you know what I'm saying. But actually, let me rewatch this, bro. This video is so powerful, bro.
Traders.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
What if I told you I make between $1,000 to $15,000 a day?
This guy.
Jesse Livermore made $1.8 billion off a single trade.
You ever wonder what it would feel like to make $1 million off of one trade? As a young trader, I dreamed of it, and the truth led me here. Since you want a taste of my trading secrets, I'll show you my trading journey and my dog pain.
It's the dawn of a new world order. As America exits the Civil War, it's on track to becoming an industrial giant and birthing America's most powerful day trader. But a war between two American tycoons is shaking the very foundation of the country and potentially collapsing the entire economy. Leading the attack is Edward.
Oh yeah, I'm literally looking at the chart right here. I don't know, the screen is so little. I can see the chart and this, so I'll keep myself updated on the chart and this, cause
Henry Harriman.
This is good. Let me restart it one more time, cause I'm fucking rushing around. Okay, ready.
Jesse Livermore made $1.8 billion off a single trade.
You ever wonder what it would feel like to make $1 million off of one trade? As a young trader, I dreamed of it, and the truth led me here. Since you want a taste of my trading secrets, I'll show you my trading journey and my dog pain.
It's the dawn of a new world order. As America exits the Civil War, it's on track to becoming an industrial giant and birthing America's most powerful day trader. But a war between two American tycoons is shaking the very foundation of the country and potentially collapsing the entire economy. Leading the attack is Edward Henry Harriman. Harriman is an infamous stock market speculator. His skills managed to get him control of the Union Pacific Railroad. As railroads lead America's economic boom, Harriman plans to monopolize the entire industry. To realize his ambition, Harriman teams up with the cunning banker Jacob Schiff. Schiff leads investment bank Kuhn, Loeb & Company. Schiff was known for bringing in large European bank loans to fund America's industry. Together, they got capital backing from the Rockefellers, Vanderbilts, and the Goulds. Their plan of attack was simple: use their immense capital to secure control over the West Coast territory, from Omaha to California. But they faced an immediate crisis as one of America's most powerful industrial tycoons made his own advance on a railway monopoly.
That railroad trade was my first big trade in New York. During those times, New York was wild, and I was young. I get to learn just how ruthless the markets could be. When I lost everything, I often learned the greatest lesson.
Miserable, the boy was desperately searching for a home. He loved school, but his father forced him to drop out to help.
Chat, even back then, even back then, trading was all about emotion. It was all about mindset, bro. I literally watched the other videos. All they talk about is mindset and emotions, nothing else.
Help out with the farm. Destroyed, he decided to run away from home. With the help of his mother's $5, she arranges a place for him to stay in the city to find a job. But the boy decides to follow his own desire, taking a cab to a place that fascinated him the most. Stockbrokers Payne, Weber, and Co. Watching day traders on the floor captivated him. The loud cheers after life-changing profits. The wall of noise as each trader battles for survival. The rush feels amazing. Charming the owners into a temporary job, he works as a chalk boy for $5 a week. His job was to write down prices from the ticker tape onto a quotation board, a bake board for traders to view every 15 minutes. While nobody's going to teach trading to a simple chalk boy, his own curiosity came up with an idea. He starts memorizing all the stock numbers at night, trying to find the patterns and theorizing price action. The next morning, he checks the price action and compares it to his theories, doing it all over the next day. After months of repetition, his confidence grows as he wants to try his first bet. While he can't trade at the brokerage, he discovers a shady new place to make his own bet. Industrial tycoon JP Morgan also had his eyes set on a railway monopoly. He wants it for his gigantic United States Steel Corporation to transport cheaper and international. As America's greatest financier, his will breaks opposition. JP Morgan lends his financial weight to empire builder James J. Hill, the railroad.
Bro, guys, bro, these are the people who control the fucking universe. I mean, not the universe. I mean, control the economy, bro. It's not even the government. It's these rich ass people. JP Morgan, BlackRock, they all control the civilians, bro. It's not even the government. The government has power. Look, chat. The government has power for four years, right? They have power for a whole life, till they die. They have power, and if they die, they give it to their son, and the son have power. You know what I'm saying? And this is because of money. They could assassinate. That's why they assassinated JFK, because of this guy, brother. JP Morgan assassinated his ass. Paid that boy money, assassinated his booty. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of crazy.
Top dog, expanding his railroad empire, the Great Northern Railroad. With Morgan's financial backing, they buy out competitor Northern Pacific, granting them control over their northern front. As the industry blasts forward, they battle to secure the centerpiece. Chicago Burlington Railroad Company was run by Charles Elliott Perkins. While both parties attempt to talk Perkins into a merger, he refuses. He isn't interested unless they offer a crazy $200 per share. But unknown to everyone, Morgan and Hill had made a cunning move. Through third parties, they started buying up Burlington stock on the public market. Their position is so large, internal board members' pressure is building up, forcing Perkins' hand to side with Northern Pacific. As news spread of their partnership talks, Harriman is furious. Refusing defeat, Harriman decides to strike them at their heart. Harriman begins buying shares of Northern Pacific. As the Titan wage war, Wall Street is in a frenzy. Everybody wants to buy the industrial boom. The entire Wall Street hopes to buy stocks of the railroad winner. Even retail investors are frantic. One man is waiting on the sidelines. Ahead of the frenzy, he secured a sizable investment in Northern Pacific. The notorious speculator, Jesse Livermore. The shady bucket shops is where he learned his first painful lesson. Bucket shops were gambling pubs. It's where you bet on stocks going up or down without actually owning the stock. Filled with common folks, it's the perfect spot for him to test his theories. He makes his first winning trade of $3 by testing patterns he had memorized from his chalkboard work. It felt unbelievable, but the high was quick to pass as the boy fought to balance his time between chalkboard work and betting in bucket shops. Working long days and betting on price action memorization in the evening, the fatigue was starting to catch up with him. Through his struggle, the boy accumulated $10,000, but word had gone back to Payne and Weber, and they aren't happy. Pulling him in their office to tell him to either quit betting or lose his job. Jesse decides to bet on himself and leaves. He continues to bet in bucket shops and start winning so
Bro,
much.
everybody, like I've watched like his other videos too. Every rich people say, don't bet on other people, bet on yourself. Always, always bet on yourself, bro. If you're gonna do something, bet on yourself. Don't bet on this something. Bet on yourself. Oh my God, that's like so valuable, dog.
Much that all his bucket shops start banning him. Even after trying a disguise, word gets around too fast and he's no longer welcome. At the age of 21, trading in the last Boston bucket shop with a bankroll of $10,000, Jesse Livermore decides it's time for him to test his theories.
$10,000 back then is now right now is worth $366,000. Kind of cold. That's kind of good though.
Against the real market in New York. At the dawn of a new industrial boom, Jesse moves to the King City. Feeling confident and high on life, Jesse gets involved with a lady and marries her only after a few weeks. It's America's second industrial revolution and a raging bull market. Jesse wastes no time and starts trading. His trading technique still relies on memorization, going long and focusing on price movements and patterns on the ticker. He kept it familiar, betting on his own trends and price action. His experience quickly paid off. 4 days after reaching New York, he's already in the green. But in the next few months, he would face the greatest challenge yet. Jesse Livermore risks everything on a railroad battle that could crush the entire economy. Monday morning, mortgage brokers start buying up any Northern Pacific share they find. And everybody wants in. The price rises from $110 a share to $130. Tuesday, the price runs up to $150 as the frenzy for the Northern Pacific shares continue. The action on the Wall Street floors is so wild, fights break out. Unprecedented chaos, the massive traders move towards shorting, doubting the stock's rapid rise. The pressure tightens as the price shoots up from $143 to $200. All hell broke loose as the share price hits the moon at $1,000 per share. As most of the market have bet on its drop, traders fear the worst. News spread that Northern Pacific shorts are far exceeding buys. Nobody can cover their short, leaving most of Wall Street insolvent. That morning, Jesse Livermore sees his golden opportunity, and that's where he moved. Having sold his stocks near the peak price, his $10,000 now stood at $50,000. He issued his brokers to get him a huge
Damn, 1.8 mil already, dog.
position on Santa Fe, JP Morgan's U.S. Steel Company. He takes the 4-to-1 leverage short with all his capital on Santa Fe and JP.
Wait, so insight into Livermore's trade. After closing his long position, Livermore watched a railroad battle escalated. He saw the non-stop price rise, liquidating the most traders on the Wall Street. Damn, he had that, bro. This guy literally had power to move the whole market, bro. Back then, he had it. On May 9th at $1,000 per share, Livermore opened a 4-to-1 leverage short on Santa Fe Railroad Company and JP Morgan U.S. Steel, thinking the panic will collapse the market. He bet their price had to go down and borrowed money leverage to make his bets bigger. Ooh.
JP Morgan's U.S. Steel Company.
I mean, I don't like to leverage. I like to spot. I don't like to leverage, but this guy leverage, riskier to trade, but more power. Back then, they used to be bet leverage as well. Back then, there used to be leverage and shit. But I like spots more than leverage, because every big investors, right, use a lot of leverage. The other videos I watch, oh my God, bro, hella leverage, dog, hella leverage. The other guy borrowed what? Nav melted like $1.2 trillion worth of money. It's kind of crazy.
With shorters insolvent, Livermore's confident the stocks are going down. While the risk is great, having been calm through the storm, it feels like a well-timed move. With no money left on Wall Street, he knows the market has nowhere to go but down. Despite the state of the market, the two biggest holders, Morgan and Harriman, refused to sell. As Morgan told reporters, he owed the public nothing. Other stocks plummeted as interest rates on short-term call loans go up 60%. As Wall Street is in a state of emergency, with stock dropping at huge rates, Livermore is about to make the largest profit in the history of Wall Street. Unfortunately, young Jesse Livermore makes a critical error. Trading on the New York floor isn't the same as the bucket shops. In the bucket shops, he places the orders himself. Here, he telephones orders in with his brokers. The broker then still has to fill the order. Despite having good brokers, due to the insane volume on the markets that day, the delay was great. The orders didn't fill until 2 hours later. By then, the stock had a...
Oh, wait. The problems are leverage, my man. Yeah. No, it's like a funded thing, you know what I'm saying? That's to me, that's not to us, it's not haram, but to us, if you say, let's just say I have $1,000 account, right? And there's a 1 to 500x, like 1 to 500x leverage on the account. I don't want to do that because I want to go to 1 to 1, or I want to go where I want to risk 1%. I don't want to risk $500 per tick, you know what I'm saying? Like that, not like this, you know. Feel me? So, wait, I forgot what he guy said. This guy, we're gonna keep on with this. Wait, this guy, wait, shit, hold up. Go back here.
Brokers. The broker then still has to
Bro, that's just why I like back then, bro. The back then feature. If I was alive back then, I would crush that market. I would still be broke, but I'll crush that market.
fill the order. Despite having good brokers, due to the insane volume on the markets that day, the delay was great. The orders didn't fill until 2 hours later. By then, the stock had already dropped huge. Realizing the dangerous state of the market, powerful players fear a collapse. Later that day, Morgan and Harriman brokers scream over the floors. We will not force payment of shorts on the Northern Pacific. The fear is over, and Northern Pacific drops down to $320 per share. Even though he's right on tape, the 20-year-old Jesse Livermore is broke at $500 in debt. All because of the mistiming of his orders.
All alone in New York, with easy money in my pockets, and the belief in my heart that I was beginning to understand the new machine. But I was still sticking to the tape. That is, I was still ignoring general principles. And as long as I did that...
This guy was disciplined back then. Oh my goodness, bro. Everything's about mindset, bro. If you look at the facts, the props from say there 1 to 3, 1 to 1. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But the leverage, but it's the same. We don't hold shares. We are doing the book of shit they're talking about. Imagine trading back then, bro. It's gonna be insane, bro. Cause like back then is like the insider info. That's how just trading, right? The insider info now is like SMC, this, that, right? It's all about like technical, right? Back then, it's all about economics. You know, economics. Like railroads when the earthquake happens, right? People are short and long this. They shorted crops. They long steel. Bro, oh my god, bro.
I could not spot the exact trouble with my game.
Broken and frustrated, Livermore isn't mad at the markets. He's mad at himself. Ignoring general principles had cost him. He isn't facing the ticker, he's facing a market. He failed to factor in the broker's timing as well as the high commission rates. In an attempt to build up his capital again, Livermore asks his wife to help. He asks her to sell the expensive jewelry he had bought her. She refuses. They divorce a while after. Broken, alone in King City, he is desperate to find a quick way to pay off his debts. In needed quick cash, Livermore turns to his old heists. Being banged from bucket shops, Livermore decides to turn his bets to other people. While it worked, the bucket shops didn't take long to recognize who was really behind it. Some ban him while other takes matters into their own hands, gathering troops to swindle him. Livermore responds in kind. He and his rookies start running sting operations on thinly trading stocks on the New York Stock Exchange. Kicked out and hated by bucket shops, Livermore returns to New York victorious with $2,000 to trade. He pays off the remaining $500 debt as he sets out to trade for his redemption. He battles with the dark demons of his past. As time passes, Livermore fights for redemption. The painful bankruptcy lingers in his mind as he trades. Haunted by broker slipperage, Jesse faces the markets. Even though his trades are green, he cuts his winner short. Even though he knows his trades have more upside, he's emotionally damaged.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Like you let fear get in you. Like you let that overconfident get in you. That's why he got overconfident, and that caused him to get feared now. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be fearless. You gotta be not overconfident. You gotta be confident with that medium term. And my boy Jordan West said, I'm still looking for that buy, but waiting for the market to go to the buy zone. Yeah, bro, me too. I'm looking for the buy zone too. I'm looking for buys as well, but I needed to go and sweep out these lows, the sell side liquidity. Then for me to go, that's how I'm gonna go about buys. And there's a jolt opening happening in like an hour and like hour 30 minutes or something like that.
and fears the risk. Despite the struggle, his price reading is so sharp that he manages to grow his account. After a few years of trading, Livermore's back and more confident than ever. As he moves up the social ranking in New York, his hunger for money grows. The quicker the money, the more powerful the market makers involved. As he grows, Livermore learns the dark truths behind the markets, sparking the most unbelievable trade of his entire life.
Where each day ends with the promise of an even brighter tomorrow. Enjoy our boats and the water and the golden beaches. The Palm Beach Country Club, the real winners.
Invited on a vacation to Palm Beach Club, Livermore joins the eccentric speculator Thomas W. Lawson. Without mentioning too many details, Thomas tips Jesse to go short on Union Pacific Railroad. Was it being set up, or is it insider trading? After all those years, Livermore's
insider, bro. It's all about economic. That guy knew. The guy literally ran a whole business, bro. If you go down here, this guy literally ran a business, bro.
Invited on a vacation to Palm Beach Club, Livermore joins the eccentric speculator Thomas W. Lawson. Without mentioning too many details, Thomas tips Jesse to go short on Union Pacific Railroad.
This guy literally ran a lot of business. This guy was literally so rich. So insider information, this guy knew about the economics, what was gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? And guess what? This guy, when he showed it, right, this is when there's like the earthquake happened, so he knew what was gonna happen. So he checked the economics, what was gonna happen to the economic that's near the Northern Pacific Railroad, right? There was a whole earthquake. I'm pretty sure it's this video, but I don't know if this is video, but let's be 50-50. 50-50, I don't know.
Was it being set up, or is it insider trading? After all those years, Livermore is now rolling with a whole new circle, New York's finest. This isn't just any club, it's an elite beach club for the most powerful men in America. In a time of American titans such as J.P. Morgan and Rockefeller, architects of generational wealth. Even though Lawson gives off an ominous vibe, filled with his desire to be part of the elite club and make profits that span multiple lifetimes, he believes Lawson is telling the truth. He informs his brokers to go short the same day.
Earthquake. Earthquake.
On April 18th, an earthquake strikes near San Francisco, the largest city on the west coast. With a huge magnitude of 7.8, its destruction
Chat. Back then, like, the way to do insider trading, it was all about economic and what's gonna happen in the climate, you know what I'm saying? It was all about economic and climate, what's gonna happen in the country. Whatever happened, short that stock. Whatever happened, like, let's just say there's an earthquake, right? So wheat is probably gonna go like fucked up, you know what I'm saying? That shit. So steel's gonna go up because you know who's gonna build that thing back up, you know what I'm saying? Steel's gonna build it back up, you know what I'm saying? That shit. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Like, you know what I'm saying? Insider trading back then is all about economic. That shit.
Strikes the city. Fires break out due to collapsing glass lines, falling power lines. Thousands die and many more hurt. Following the damage, Union Pacific Railroad Company takes a huge hit. Truly eccentric, one day after placing his trades, Livermore walks away with a profit, $250,000. But America's crisis is far from over.
8.7 million today, bro. That's kind of cold, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of cold.
After the earthquake, the American markets entered an unstable period. As liquidity flows from New York to San Francisco, the U.S. Treasury steps in. They start buying government bonds on a huge scale and drop requirements for banks to hold reserves against government deposits. The result, a flood of money supply. Despite entering an economic recession, with the money supply, stock speculation is high. Anticipating the economic return, two men attempt to capitalize. Copper mogul F. Augustus Hines and Wall Street banker Charles W. Moore scheme to corner the market. Their plan is simple: corner the market through Hines Family United States Copper Company. The Hines family already controlled a lot of the shares, so all they needed is to convince speculators their stock is overvalued and going down, talking a huge number of traders into shorting their own stock.
So this basically says control as many shares as possible and drive price up. Hines and Moore's used their stocks as collateral to get their position in banks, so when stocks price began to fall, they were at risk, aiming to drive the price up. So they bought up lots of outstanding shares, borrowing lots of money from their banks to use for the squeeze. They leveraged their banking position for more position. Pyramid banking convinced speculators to short their stock. While they felt a lot of their shares were already shorted, it wasn't enough, pushing the price up, they aim to draw more traders to go short. Oh, so get more liquidity into the market. And by the way, gold just swept out a sell side liquidity. So like, you know what I'm saying, we're getting a trade in a little bit, but we'll have to wait.
Then make the price go up and scheme together a short squeeze.
So short squeeze and force them to go to settle using heavy lines of credit from their banking position. They buy up shares, reclaiming remaining stock from their brokers until they thought they owned most of the outstanding shares. Finally, they force short sellers to settle with them at insane price.
With a lot of their stocks
Damn.
trading at speculative bucket shops,
Kind of crazy. This kind of crazy.
they're confident in their plan. On Monday, they begin purchasing shares of United Copper. The price shoots up from $39 to $52 a share. The next day, they issue a call for short sellers to return the borrowed stock. They continue to push the price up to $60, but the short sellers aren't phased, and they find plenty of United Copper shares from others than the Heinz. Heinz have misread the market. As word spread of their scheme, the share price of United Copper begins to collapse. The stock closes at $30 a share on Tuesday and falls to $10 by Wednesday. Otto Heinz is bankrupt. Both Heinz and Morse have controlling positions in the bank. They used a lot of leverage in their attempt to corner the market. The result? The brokerage and state saving bank of Montana go insolvent. Amongst the panic, one man had kept his ear to the street. With his connections to the bucket shops, Livermore sees their plan coming from miles away. Watching the squeeze fail, he knows the drawback is huge. Livermore had his eyes on the squeeze, but had also learned to factor in the larger market trend, anticipating both the shorter time frame events and the longer time frame market cycle. For months, he saw the FOMO and speculation run up. So when the Northern Pacific and Great Northern announced their payment in installment, Livermore read it as the new boost in money had run out. Liquidity's back to its bottom, and the economy heading to a recession. Livermore smells profit. He opens a short position on the entire market. As the headline spreads, bank runs start on all the banks of Heinz Associate. The bank runs continue to spread and affects banks on a regional scale. More banks collapse. The hit on the financial system is so severe that the stock market dropped at a rapid speed, heading towards 50%. This could lead to the greatest economic downturn the US had ever experienced in its history. Understanding the gravity of this situation, the most powerful financier in America steps up. JP Morgan organizes a group of banking executives to come up with a scheme to save the markets. JP Morgan gets Rockefeller, the US Treasury, on board to deposit millions into New York's banks. The US Treasury pledges $35 million in deposits into New York City banks, most of which are Morgan's banks. Meanwhile, the markets continue to drown, and Livermore is making incredible profits. His position had gotten so large, it's moving the entire market. It's so powerful that one day he receives...
Literally moving the market, bro. My goal is to move the whole market, bro. I'm gonna have like $1 trillion market cap and like that shit, you know what I'm saying? If I can move it, if I can move it for a tick, I'll be happy. A tick. I don't know. I'll do it at one time, inshallah.
An anonymous letter. The letter said, "Please stop shorting the market, as the entire system can take no more." Some say the letter came from JP Morgan himself. Shortly after, Livermore decides to close his positions, and with the can take no more. Some say the letter, and Livermore is making incredible profits. His position had gotten so large, it's moving the entire market. It's so powerful that one day he receives an anonymous letter. The letter said, "Please stop shorting the market, as the entire system can take no more." Some say the letter came from JP Morgan himself. Shortly after, Livermore decides to close his positions, and with the new inflow of liquidity into the markets, a lot of panic emerges. JP Morgan, a one-man central bank that saved America's economy. The trade printed Jesse Livermore a profit of $1 million, gaining him the reputation as America's most powerful trader, known as the Boy Plunger.
If you only have a few $100s to invest right now, click this link right here because I want to show you a clever new...
This time, I was cold-bloodedly right. Not because of a hunch or from skillful reading of the tape, but as the result of my analysis of conditions affecting the stock market in general. I'm not guessing. I'm anticipating the inevitable.
Bro, he's right, he's straight right, G. He's a co.
His high life did not stop there. After the trade, everybody wanted a piece of him. After his victory, Livermore buys himself a yacht, a rail car to emulate JP Morgan's Corsair. As Wall Street legend, Livermore changed his fate. From poverty to elite. Along with the fame came a huge pride. Surrounded by Wall Street's finest, their insider information, Livermore enters his prime. His trading is unstoppable. Livermore is in a different class from the ones he calls Wall Street suckers. Addicted to the thrill of trading, Livermore still trades daily. Impatient and stagnant in his daily trades, he plans a...
He got overconfident. He got overconfident because of one big win. He got too emotional. And he was impatient on his trades because he got out too early. So not disciplined. Not holding your trades like a puh. You gotta hold your trade like a... You gotta hold like your trade like you the man, you feel me? I'm gonna do game signs, bro. I'm broke, bro.
A huge move. Corner an entire market. For the last years, Livermore had been trading commodities. Familiar with his price action, he's short cotton and long weed. His positions were in profit until one day he receives a dire warning. The Cotton King, only known by the pseudonym Percy Thomas, he misread the market and goes bankrupt. Broken and defeated, the Cotton King learns of Livermore's plans. After tracking him down, he pitches Livermore his expertise, even claiming to have people inside the farms for insider info on the crop yields. Not impressed, Livermore turns him down, as he always preferred trading alone. Despite this, Thomas's knowledge and charm gradually sways Livermore, sharing alarming information, worrying yields, and much more. Livermore's armor is chipped away bit by bit. Before meeting Thomas, Livermore was short on cotton, but after a month of listening, Livermore goes long. With his judgment clouded, he continues to average down on his long position. As cotton continues to fall, he even sells his profitable weak position to meet margin requirements in cotton. He buys more cotton as prices continue to decline, breaking his own trading rule. It doesn't take long for Livermore to realize what has happened. He sells out with $300,000 remaining, 10% of what he had only a few months ago. Livermore sells his apartment and yacht.
Overconfident. No good. You gotta be confident. You gotta be patient. You gotta be fearless. You gotta be not greedy. You gotta be patient and disciplined.
In an attempt to recoup his losses, and one bad trade was left once again, alone and broke. But to make matters worse, this time he had a monstrous ego pressuring him to trade his way back as fast as possible.
Not good.
As I begin to accept his facts and figures, I start to fear that I had been basing my previous position on misinformation. I couldn't ignore that feeling and not take action. It cost me millions to learn that another dangerous enemy to a trader is his susceptibility to the influence of a magnetic personality when presented convincingly by a brilliant mind.
Spiraling out of control and desperate to regain his wealth, his emotions run wild. Using drinking and affairs as a coping mechanism, his trading skills are hit. His desperate trading is forcing him into a death spiral. Each trade, he feels the pressure of getting closer to blowing his account. Trading to make his losers back, high leverage bets, and averaging down. He needs to make a big win quick, or else. Livermore is broke again. His reputation as boy plunger weighing on him. He hits a cold streak. Everything he touches turns into a loser. Livermore trades himself into debt. His desperation spirals into depression as Livermore tries to retrace his steps once again. He even goes to Chicago to try his lucks at bucket shops.
I've been in the speculative game ever since I was 14. It's all I've ever done. And the conclusion that I've reached after 30 years of constant trading, both on the shoestring and with millions of dollars behind me, is this. A man may beat a stock or a group at a certain time, but no man living can beat the stock market.
I just cramped. Oh my god, I'm
Hey, Ryan Reynolds here. Big Wireless has once again raised their prices. In response,
I just cramped, dude. Oh, that hurt bad.
One day, he receives an invitation to return to New York. Livermore meets Dan Williamson, the owner of a stock brokerage. In awe of his boy plunger reputation, Williamson offers him a $25,000 stake and a brokerage account. Desperate and seeing it as a quick way out, he agrees. Shortly after, he trades his way up to $112,000. Despite his struggle, Livermore fails to realize Williamson's plan. He wants Livermore for his reputation. See, Williamson is using it to hide the brokerage's other trades, and even trades on Livermore's behalf, accumulating huge losses. Angry, Livermore and Williamson get into a fight. Livermore leaves the brokerage soon after. Betrayed, alone, broke, and seeing no light at the end of the tunnel, Livermore decides that the only option left is to file for bankruptcy. Looking back on his losses, it had gone to his head. Jesse Livermore realized that he had become the super sucker, breaking his own trading rules, trusting others' views, overconfidence, and impatience. The humiliation destroyed his calm composure and led to even more blunders, forcing trades and averaging down. His emotional state preventing him from doing better. A true super sucker, thinking he was above the market.
A man must know himself thoroughly if he's going to make a good job out of trading in the speculative markets. I sometimes think that no price is too high for a speculator to pay to learn that which will keep him from getting the swelled head. There's only one side of the market, and it's not the bull side or the bear side.
It's the right side.
The right side.
The right side.
While the reflection and filing for bankruptcy felt relieving, there was something missing. With no other option, Livermore returns to Williamson. He begs for another tiny stake of 500 shares. Feeling the pressure of his last chance, Livermore decides to make it one final bet. Clear price action in the line with a larger market trend. For the next 6 months, the markets stay flat. Livermore immerses himself in reading the tape, spending countless hours observing price action and memorizing market movements. He reads newspapers to form his own educated view on the general market. And that's when the beginning stages of World War I unfold. Allied and German troops clashing in a drawn-out trench war. While America vowed to stay out of it, things change in May 1915. As Germany sinks the British Lufthansa, it kills 1,200 civilians and 128 Americans without warning. This incident sparks mass debates on whether America should enter the war. Livermore sees this trade. Seeing no clear end to the war and with potential American interference looming,
he literally long steel. He long steel, cuz.
anticipates a bullish cycle for American steel companies. As one of his target stocks drop, he places his final bet, going long on Bethlehem Steel, buying on the high margin at $98. As prices rise, he buys again at $115. The following day, he sells the stake at $140, securing a large profit. The next years, Livermore makes his comeback of a lifetime. Some suggest he engages in massive market manipulation in the con market, while others believe he strictly rides the bull. While the record isn't clear, one thing is certain: Livermore learns the most valuable lesson of his life as a market speculator.
Nobody can catch all the fluctuations. In a bull market, your game is to buy and hold until you believe that the bull market is near its end.
Yes.
To do this,
so true, bro. So true. So fucking true.
you must study general conditions and not tips or special favors affecting individual stocks. One of the most helpful things that anybody can learn is to give up trying to catch the last eighth or the first. These two are the most expensive eighths in the world.
Enjoying newfound success, Livermore starts trading a lot less. It had a huge positive impact on his performance. After long public divorce from his wife,
You
Nettie
see, this is all about mindset. So the less trade you take, the better you get. This man literally took, like you see, literally said he took less trades. Look, I can go a little back real bit. See, enjoying new from sex says Livermore started trading a lot less. This guy, bro, so fucking smart. He relates everything to me what I'm doing right now. I have to be him. I'm not gonna do too much, but like, hey, bro, trade less, you make more. You gotta let this mental mind do better than before. You feel me, cuz? I'm doing too much.
It had a huge positive impact on his performance. After long public divorce from his wife, Nettie Jordan, Livermore finds a new love, Dorothy. Living a high society life, and after having 2 children, they buy a house in Great Neck. Here, Livermore begins his conversations with Edwin Lefree, the writer of Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. He moves into custom design offices in the Heckscher building on 5th Avenue, enjoying the distance from the hectic Wall Street. The grass couldn't seem greener until 1929 strikes. Consumerism. After World War I, the Western economies explode, with America leading the charge. Decadence and excess are the name of the game. The stock market flourishes as prices seem to rise without limit. Banks get more lenient on loans and allow everyday consumers way more debt. Everyday folks start playing their hand.
In these trades, bro, I'm just waiting, bro. The market not even moving my way. I still want the markets to go down and take out the sell side liquidity. Only took out 1 hourly, but that is not enough. For real, bro, me too.
hands in the market. Stock trading becomes so popular that telegram services are set up to help people trade on cruises. In 1929, Livermore feels the bubble has reached its limit. With experience trading market tops, the signs are clear. True to his boy plunger name, Livermore makes a massive gamble. He shorts the entire market, as he did in 1907. He takes a huge short position against the market and sustains months of heavy losses. At one point, he's down by more than $9 million. Traumatized by his previous bankruptcy.
Damn. Negative $9 million, right? It's basically $162 million today. Like, what the fuck?
Livermore starts doubting his call. For months, he eats red numbers. But he knew this time it was his own call. Ignoring fears, Livermore holds on. By September,
be patient, be fearless, be emotionless, be confident, and be disciplined. Not greedy, not greedy.
1929, the bubble starts to crack. Sustained losses hit Wall Street. The volatility exploded in October, with several trading days of huge drops, one of the greatest stock market collapses in American history. In the aftermath, as the world picks up the pieces of a destroyed economy, Livermore emerges with a fortune of over $100 million.
1.8 billion today. Market mover, over the head. Market mover right here, 1.8 billion. Who moved the market back then? That's a lot. That's a lot. That's not a lot for us. I mean, that's a lot for me, but that's not a lot for him.
If it ends here, Livermore would have spent the rest of his life living like a king. But it doesn't.
See, he got too greedy. He became homeless. He got too greedy. He became homeless. And he got killed. You kill his ass. You can't be greedy. You cannot be greedy. You cannot be greedy, mate.
He's a gambler and a speculator at heart, which ultimately costs him everything. While 1928,
bro, ain't no way you make $1.8 billion and you fucking fumble the bag and lose how the hell do you lose 1.8 billion? How? You buying the dip on crypto? Yeah, bro. Today I bought a lot of today. I bought like a 15% today in my iron protocol. I don't know why I'm still holding that. DeFi, they're saying DeFi is good, so I'm still holding it. Cause when you know how the big move back down happened, bro, my crypto was just holding, bro. You just staying in a break-even spot, but it was holding. It was not like going like all the way down, you know what I'm saying? But I gotta wait till Friday to get my other paycheck so I can put more in there.
1929 was his peak performance. It also marked the end of an era. All the easy money retail traders were left scarred. The excitement of the stock market was gone. The huge inflow of liquidity was disappearing. The reality sets in. America heads towards the Great Depression. It's in a momentum.
Wow, you bought more of AKT, Beam, and Injective, bro. I'm gonna hold mine because I know. Hey, I don't know, but I'm gonna hold mine, bro. Although I'm down like 800 right now. But more. Yeah, I wanted to go down, bro. Yeah. Yes, but he's the thing though, right? He's the thing though, right? When I say I bought it and stayed a simple spot in a breaking me spot, is that when I bought it, right? It wasn't a. I am gonna hold for months, yeah. But when I bought it, right? I bought it in a premium spot. How you know how I say I be buying a premium spot, which is bad, right? I bought in a premium spot. That's why I was happy that it stayed like that, cause it was so strong. It just stayed like that. But it went up so much, right? It went up to like I bought it at $2.16. It went up to $3.20. I made a 50 like what did a 50%? I made like a 47% return rate, but I forgot to cash out, and another big dip happened, came right back to even spot, and right now just holding the even spot like a really strong spot. But I wanted to go down to like $1.99, then I'm about way more. I might buy even more though. But Eternity, I'm getting cooked right now. I'm getting cooked.
For the last 20 years is gone, along with Livermore's passion and opportunities. The markets enter a new, ever-changing cycle. In 1932, living lavishly, his wife develops a bad habit of drinking, and Livermore had continuous affairs. His marriage.
You earn buy for gold, bro. I'm gonna still wait till the market structure shift. Once I get that market structure shift, I'm gonna look for buys. Till then, I'm not gonna look for buys, brother.
Come crashing down to the tune of a $10 million divorce settlement. and even his mistress, Susan.
Damn, 10 million is kind of crazy. 10 million to there right now, like what? 100 million, kind of crazy. Susan.
1934 marks the start of the United States Security and Exchange Commission, illegalizing many of the trading practices that Livermore relies on. His lifestyle and trading are a train wreck. Some say he lost his
I shouldn't sell, like, shut up for real. Be that at. Should I not sell to like 2025, bro? I might not sell to 2025, bro. If you saying it, bro, I'm not gonna sell, bro. Fuck that shit. You experienced guy. You experienced, so you got, cause you been in the last bull run too. So you gotta teach me, dog. You gotta teach me.
fortune going long on sugar futures as the FDR put a ceiling on the sugar price. Others say he lost his fortune by going long after the crash and not getting out in time, thinking the 1929 dip would show a similar pattern he experienced in previous cycles. Yet one thing is clear: Livermore is no longer flexible enough to go along with the ever-changing cycle. He failed to speculate the creation of the SEC and the impact of the FDR on the boom and bust cycle. By the end of the same year, his huge fortune is gone, and he declares bankruptcy for the final time. Livermore becomes a symbol of all that is wrong on Wall Street, and as his wealth disappears, so does his remaining prestige. Livermore marries a socialite and American singer, Harriet Metz. 4 times widowed, she had enough money to support their lifestyle. As he heads towards another bankruptcy, he and his wife sail to Europe, hoping to relieve his mind of some of his troubles and to make another comeback. But Livermore never quite does. The dark demon of his depression hangs over his head, and with his wife's finances, he had lost his drive. He felt like a failure. And in 1940, at the Sherry Netherland Hotel in New York, Livermore ends things himself.
No. So what you mean by like so why sell at 3.20 when you don't know if the price will come back to your entry / TP price instead set a TP aligned with the bull run expectations. That with that being said, depending on the market cap. Wait, what do you mean by that? Why sell at 3.20? No, I'm not gonna sell my whole thing. You know how you said. Ooh, so you say I would not be selling at 3.20. I would be buying anything under 1.5 and not selling until 10-ish and take out your original investment. Then let the rest matter. So you're basically saying I shouldn't sell until $10. Once I get to $10, I take out my initial, so I take out how much I put in the first place, and I take that out. So I take out all my DCAs, then let that go to my bank account, then let the other one just the profit just run. But didn't you say that? So let's just say I was up to $3.20, right? It went up $3.20, right? I was up like 50%, right? Oh, so you're basically saying, yeah, don't risk missing the move by taking the cheaper. Yeah, I understood the compound, and you have to. Yeah, we're not that good. Yeah. So basically, let the profit run. Yep. So what I'm trying to talk about, right? The reason I was gonna sell at, I think the reason I wanted to sell at until 20 and take some more, or So, but what I'm trying to say, right, is just that after 3.20, right, is that's when the dip happens. So when a dip happens, I take out some profits so I can buy for cheaper. That's what I'm trying to talk about. So like, let's just say it goes back to 3.20, right? Let's just say Bitcoin just takes out the buy side liquidity, just drops down so much, right? That's where I take out not most of my, like a lot of positions out, then let it go back down and buy more. Set a portfolio goal, so like 50K, go sell all when you see 50K in your portfolio and hold until then. Dude, this is going to be a mega bull. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. You don't know that, bro. Yeah, you're right, bro. But my goal is to make 6 figures. I'm dreaming, but hey, you can't dream. You gotta bet on yourself. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take that shit on yourself, nigga. Alright, my bad. Hold on. Let me go put my trading chart back. That was enough of watching videos, bro. You gotta bet on. I'm gonna bet on myself every time I do something. It's gonna be me. How do I share my screen to the other screen? Video. Hold up. Oops. What I do, bruv? Come here. Oh, I clicked the wrong one, cuz. Oh shit. Where'd he go? Oh, right here. Bomba clat. Let me go put that On this chart too, window capture, you have to be triangle. Alright, so the market does not look like it gave me nothing. But it does, I mean, it did give me my concept over here. Touch that breaker block. Move up, breakup structure, breakup block right over here. Touched. If price goes to, you don't know what's the next, what happens. You take some profit and let it to $8. Now you're taking shit gains. Now buying at 30 price too early. Or if you accumulate, come down to 2.1.115. Oh. Oh. But didn't you say that before a dip happens? You text me, right? You said before a dip happens, make sure you take some profit, then buy a cheaper price from that profit you had. You know, let's just say the price is going up, right? Let's just say Bitcoin takes out a thing and goes dips down. You said you told me that to take out some profit, and once the dip happens, it comes lower, and let that profit you had, the amount of money you had, like that was profit, buy that dip again and let it go back more up. I'm not gonna sell my whole thing. I'm not gonna sell my whole thing. Just sell the profit I made. So the profit I made, sell that, let it go down there, sell more, then boom. Buy that dip with my profit, then let it go back up. That's what I'm talking about. But I did buy today. I bought this price today. Let me see. I bought right here. Yeah, I'll let you write it down too so I can know. I DCA'd at enter DCA at 3.06. This was so bad, bro. Oh my god. The reason I entered right here, right, is due to because I literally saw my information get hit right here, and I saw it get hit right here too. So I entered right here and here. When we run to all-time high, it's clearly a liquidity gap. So be fucking ready to get your money back and before the move is. Wait, so when we at all-time high, it's gonna clearly get a liquidity grab, yes, but be fucking ready to get your money back in before the move is missed. You know, like very traditional. I just buy, brother. Oh, so you're saying, but be ready to get your money back in before the move is missed. Oh, bet. This one this one is bullshitting me, bro. I'm not gonna invest in this until he breaks out, bro. Cause you gotta break out of something, bro. Cause this is bullshitting me. I'm a hold though. All right, so okay, I go back here. Let me see Nas is ripping up. Oh shit, I gotta sleep right here, but I'm looking for a market structure shift. Yo, brother, Jordan White, you took in a trade for Jordan White, bro? Hopefully you winning, brother. Cause I want to see you win, baby girl. Whoa, that's not gay. Gay. Get. What time was this? Broke structure. Okay, so this boom right here, we're looking for trades. Boom, we validated that one. Boom, that down. No entry spot. Oh, so I would rather just buy and look at it in 7 months, and I'll be 5 to 20x rather than worry about building my profits. Yes, people might say it's dumb, but I'm long term, so me too. Hey, let's do the Wall Street thing, okay? Oh wait, so yeah, I took that trade too, bro. Profitable with support resistance. You have to tear a lot, right? Yeah, first TV smash again. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. He probably took the trade from here to down here and took the trade to here to upside. Hey, good shit. I like you, bro. That's why I like my boy. Jordan White. Yo, he got that Jamaican. Oh, no. Stop, but what am I doing, bro? You got that Jamaican bomber clot, you know what I'm saying? Hey, some Jamaican girls got that blood clot, bro. When I work at, bro, this Jamaican, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, I ain't want to talk about her, but like, God. I go out there like, I'm like, damn, girl. The way she speaks is so like, you know what I'm saying? The way she speaks, that she got that Jamaican accent, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. But she don't got thick booty though. I don't like that. I ain't almost talking about stuff. My bad. Stuff for the law. Stuff for the law. So, I'm so dumbass, bro. What are you doing, bro? It's probably gonna break Cheshire up, bro. Fuck you, nigga. That's not wrong. Yeah, bro. I know, bro. But dude, bro. Yeah, that's why I said that stuff for the law for, bro. Oh, he's running, bro. He's running. Da, na, na, na. I'm bored, bro. Mark is gay and there's mad news. No, that's only one news, bro. That's not mad news, bro. Only one news, dog. One news. So you want to like come down with that? There's a lot of news. Win, win, win. Yes, sir. My boy Jordan White. He got the Wall Street in him. No, it didn't happen, bro. Oh shoot. You said that market structure shift happened? No, there is not. Where? I don't see none. No, I ain't see none, bro. I gotta let it close above, brother. I gotta let it close above. I gotta see the swing high, swing low, bro. I gotta see. I gotta buy a discount. For real, bro. That's why I like it. There is news within every 10 minutes. Bro, if there's a news every 10 minutes, that's kind of crazy. Discount spot is right here. Bro, I'm following your rule right now, okay? Thank you for telling me this discount thing, bro. Because I was really never good at this. So that swing high to swing low. Okay, that's a discount spot. Let's go to hourly. No, we can't do it on hourly. We gotta do 15 minutes. Okay. We gotta let it close above, brother. Closer. Nah, close it right there. Right there. Where? Where? Oh, you have to close. How am I supposed to do that, bro? Hold up. Wait, so from there to where? So you gotta do from this low to this low. That right? Cause I'm fucking around, bruv. No way, nah. Oh, it didn't break structure, bruh. Oh, it's gonna break structure up, hopefully. Hold up. It broke structure. Chat, it broke structure. Oh my goodness. Oh my G. Oh my G. And I don't feel like it's. I feel like it's this one though. OMG, chat. Hold up. I gotta fix this. Let's go to 1 minute. So the discount area is right here. So from this fair value gap, we can take it from. So I want to buy a discount though. Oh, let me get my chart ready. But before news comes out, bro, I make sure I break even, bro. Boom, we got this discount. We got this fair value gap we got touch into. Okay, I need a fair value gap. So this right here, this whole fair value gap right here, sell stop right below this. Would be crazy. Bro, why am I having that scary emotion? See that? It moved down so much, bro. Hold up, let me go scroll down back. Okay, just invalidated the fair value gap. I want to buy in discount area, which is over here. Wait, no market trader shift? No, bro. Yeah, but like, here's the thing though, right, Urban? You're on the, I am. Wait, 30 pip move. I'm good. I'm just gonna wait for news now for a break of 226. Hold up. I gotta see. I gotta go mark out this fair value gap. So there's no fair thing right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait until this guy, cause this thing invalidated my fair value gap. I gotta see how if he did. Yeah, bro. Owanda is ass, bro. All right, chat. So I gotta see if this go. Yeah, he invalidated my fair value gap, so I'm gonna wait. I got a fair value gap down here. Let's see. So stop has to be right here, somewhere like that. Let's see if we can get it fair value because I'm not gonna enter until I get a fair value gap touch. Patience is key, man. We're in a discount area right now, so we just wanna wait for this thing to give me a fair value gap in a 5-minute time frame. Inside that fair value gap we got right here, so we'll saw something be right below this. Yup. I started 25K challenge. Bet, bro. Hopefully you win that, bro. Hopefully you pass it and make it a lot, brother. Bambacrad. So start right below this. Did you create it? Okay, gonna create it in 50 seconds, so I need a touch into this. Would be great. Touch into this and break structure back up. And I'm gonna buy in a discount spot, so hopefully it should be good. Ugh. How did the hourly close? The hourly closed as bullish. Okay, that's good. Bet, risking 200 for each trade. Yes, sir. I'm risking like 500, bro. Okay, I mean, I got a couple of funders, but the other funders, I don't really go until I pass this one. Because this one I'm getting cooked. I'm getting cooked. We got a resistance area right over here. This is the resistance area. So what we could do is clear as day. So I want to touch in this. Control your motions. So let's just say I get in from here, sell stop below here. Okay, that looks good. Take profit is up and these highs. Okay, that looks good. Okay. That's cool. Want to get to 10 accounts? Yes, sir. You want to get to like 6.7 million to fund it, bro? Hopefully, bro. Hopefully do good, brother. But this account right now, oh, just touched my fair value gap. I just touched my fair value gap. Okay, that's good news. Good news. All right, let me get my chart ready. Let me see how much I'm risking. Because I forgot how much I'm risking, bro. Okay, now I just need a breakup structure, which should be over here. If you could give me another discount spot on a breakup structure, it would be great. Which about it right here. Let's just say I do my trade from here. What the fuck? Its features are a little different, yeah, bro. And featured in forward, you can get like up to like 6 million funded and make like 6 figures a month. Okay, I'm using that much. Why am I having that like? Yo, I got a question for you. What's up, brother? Why am I having that fucking FOMO fear, bro? Why am I having that fucking fear shit? Can't get fear, bruv. Not good, not good, not good. So if this can end bearish. Okay, let's see. Please don't disrespect my shit, bruv. Do you spend time backtesting your strategy on the weekend or when you're not trading? Bro, to be honest, no. Because I try to take charge out of the time. Because you know why? Is that I work 10 hours on Saturday, Sunday. And plus I have to like focus on like I can't keep on focusing on trading. Like I know I love trading, right? It's just that my mental wouldn't be as well, you know what I'm saying? I gotta work for my mentality, you know. Because if I look on the chart so much, right, I'll start getting headaches and I'll start like I can't sleep right. And I was just thinking about trading all day, you know what I'm saying? And it just ruins my mood overall. Cause like when I just say I take a losing trade, I'll run for the run. If I don't go for a run, I will have a shitty ass like, you know, mindset throughout the whole day. Yeah, bro, you're right, bro. But everybody, she just touched this for VIA gap. Okay. Did it though? Let me see more. Yeah, that's the for VIA gap. Yep, that's the for VIA gap. Okay. I'm risking how much? Yeah, bro, I know. Yeah, that's what I'm trading right now. Okay, I gotta see how much I'm risking on this one. I'm risking that much. They see a close above, then I'm gonna get in. I gotta get a market structure shift. Boom, that looks good. That looks good. Okay. Boom, that move down. This could cause a breakup block. Right. Right here can cause a breakup block. Or move down, breakup block right here. Wait, hold up. So then shit a medium you could trade. I believe in the time market let you understand how the market is moving with each candle through a zone. Yeah, bro, you're right. I spent thousands of hours in the market to learn what to do and now. Yeah, bro. You spent like what 3 years just learning concept left and right, bro. That's good for you, brother. That's market experience right there. I'm a buy on the close of this, so I'm risking. Oh, that's hella. Oh. I bought a premium spot. Oh my goodness, bro. I bought a shitty ass spot. I literally bought a doo-doo ass spot. Yeah, I gotta see myself stop. It has to be below this. I over-risked on this too, bro. Oh my goodness. But it is what it is though. There's a whole resistance area right over here. Resistance right over here. It's coming right back down. Doesn't look too good for me, but it is what it is. Take profit over here. I had 26. Ain't no way I'm gonna get liquidated that quick, bruv. Bro really made me buy in a premium spot, bro. Oh my goodness. 52. Just 53. Oh, I kind of over risked, but it is what it is. Guess I didn't let me put the chart down on there. I spent 1,000 hours in the market to learn how to do it now. Yes, sir, bro. I put my take profit, right? I gotta see if that's the right take profit. Bro, I might literally get liquidated right now, bro. Let's hope not. Alright, so I gotta change my take profit because I put it a little too high. So this right here is the resistance. Bro, I overlord use, bro. I use it by like one little, you know what I'm saying? Like a little too little, like 0.25% more loss. It's gonna go take me out, chat. Wait, it's the wrong sell stop too, bro. 67. Here comes my end, bruv. Did he take me out on my phone? It is what it is, bruv. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. Alright, that quick, bro. That's quick. That quick. I'm done for the day, bro. I am DOD for the day. I'm gone. I am gone. Let's see what happened though. This shit literally manipulated me. So I know what I did wrong though, bro. I know what I did wrong. Yeah, I became manipulation. I became manipulated. Oh my god, how am I gonna become a manipulator? How am I getting manipulated every single day? Shoot me in the head, bruv. How did I get manipulated every single day? We're testing an auto block. Fuck that auto block, man. Orchestra shift does that. Man, you got the order block right here, but fuck that shit, man. I can't do that, bro. I'm gonna overtrade, bruv. I should gotta make my video. Fuck it. Okay, so I did that wrong. So I shouldn't be trading before news. Yeah, I always like, what do you call it? I always know, like, every time I lose a trade or every time I trade before news, I always lose, bro. I always become manipulated before news. That's what I keep on finding out. I keep on getting manipulated before news, bro. That's the crazy part. For For real, bro. I was getting manipulated, bro. Fuck. Bro, every time I take a trade before news, always. Bro, yeah, bro. Market is so manipulated before news, bro. That buy still look good on an L3 breaks 2054. Yes, sir, bro. Like markets are always like you know what I'm saying, I always get manipulated before news, bro. I hate it, bro. So now I'm not gonna be trade job openings, bro. I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna wait after the news comes out then trade, bro. But I see I'm gonna check till 10 a.m. because I know I'm gonna get a setup before after 10 a.m. Then I'm gonna get manipulated again, bro. So I made a mistake today by trading before news. Okay. Only after, bro. Yeah. You see, bro. What? I don't know why he went down. Wait. What? He touched the auto block, right? He touched a breaker block, right? He touched the auto block. Where on a higher time frame? For 30 minute. You gotta touch the auto 30 minute. Touch it again. 60 minute. He retested the auto block. Okay. Kinda gay. This is kinda gay, bruv. Went to the auto block, breaker block, and auto block, but respected the auto block. Yeah, bro. I see the breaker block right here. Auto block. I don't really reuse. I don't really reuse auto blocks, bro. Auto block is a move down, causing the liquidity sweep. Oh, I'm so dumb. I thought it was this stuff. This was the auto block, bro. I'm doing the wrong auto block, man. So the auto block was like here. Yeah, we tested this auto block. I'm such an idiot, dog. Sweep, touch this. Oh yeah, bro. I see it now. I didn't either until I did. Wait, and I did it. Wait, I did it either until I did. Wait, what do you mean? I did and they fire as fuck. So you can't even lie. Yeah, bro. You see, I see it, bro. Now look at the momentum back to the upside. Gay. I like to call this gay. I probably bet you, bro, if he breaks through this, if you break through this level right here, it's gonna rip, bro. It's gonna rip right after your level breaks from this. And I'm not gonna be in the market because I'm taking over trades. Kinda crazy, bro. I'm gonna watch though. Yeah, it is. Okay, yeah, bro. It is what it is. Yeah, I learned. I learned not to trade before news. I learned to like look at that market better. It is what it is. I didn't close above it, so now it's still gonna be down, bro. But this one, if this one closes above it, it should give me huge momentum, bro. That is auto block. Yeah, bro. I saw it, bro. I saw it too, bro. Man, I didn't even look at the auto block right. But it should definitely rip now. Bravo. Oh, you took the trade too, bro? Yes, sir, bro. Good for you, brother. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see how this rolls. Level break, come on. Push higher. Retest of the level break right here. Oh, I don't look at the auto block right, huh? Nah, I didn't. Oh, I just put it on there. Oh, bet. No, I'm not gonna re-enter. Yeah, I'm not gonna re-enter. I'm just gonna look at the market. Okay, just test it for a 5 gap. Let's see what type of reaction it gives out of this. Shit. Wait, hold up. Forgot to look at DXY, bruv. DXY, what DXY doing? Oh, shit. Build orders, yeah, bro. Ooh. For real, it didn't, bro. But it's affecting the market. It's affecting this somehow. For outcome of our trade, bro. For respectfully, yeah, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean? Don't re-enter build orders. Concept touch for outcome of our trade respectfully. Yeah, I know. You being real. I know. But what you trying to say with that? You trying to say? Cause I don't know what you're saying by build orders. Yeah, bro. That's what I like, bro. Thank you, bro. Like I'm doing filter. Me too, bro. I don't try to use filter. I mean, I try to use filters, but sometimes when I'm real, bro, I just lose like. Oh, market is consolidating. Oh shoot, bet. Cause like when I don't use a filter, bro, I'm like rude, bro. I don't know why. Future's new album is gas as hell. Yeah, bro. I can't listen to it though, cause like I can't listen to it until like my month ends. Bro. Okay, let's see how this rolls. You can't right back down from the level break, bro. What the fuck? Alright, I gotta make a rule where I don't trade before news. I'm so fucking dumb. I literally told myself yesterday that I told myself I'm not gonna trade until news comes out. And today here, I look at me, I was trading before news. I'm fucking disciplined, bro. I'm not listening to myself, bro. I'm getting pissed off now. I gotta fucking listen, bro. Fuck me, bro. Okay, give him a method of upside. If you base pressure, it's gonna be strong momentum. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Now, but here's the thing though. Like you do the forex FX news, right? But I do the forex factory. So forex factory is basically only the big news, bro. I don't look at I only look at the orange news and the red news. Nothing else. Everything else, I don't really care about news. If it's not on FX book, bro, I'm not gonna look. At Forex Factory, I'm not looking at that news, bro. That news is bullshit. Yes, sir. Yeah, from TZR, right? Yeah, that's what he told me. I'd use it from him too, bro. Bro, but I need a close above. Like, get a close above so I can go give me a reaction, bro. Come on, bro. You just gotta be aware of it because that's what leads manipulation. Yeah, bro. I'm getting manipulated every single fucking day. I don't know what the fuck, bro. I literally backtest my strategy every single day. It works, but I always get, bro. Every time it's a news day, I always get manipulated. I always, bro. Cause you remember like a couple days ago when we traded on what day? I think it was on Friday. I got manipulated bro. I didn't enter, right? but I got manipulated so fucking hard, bro. I was gonna enter that trade. I look at it. I was like, bro, I shouldn't trade before news. So I listened to myself. Like, I was happy I listened to myself, right? But he gave me my model. Then I got manipulated, bro. Wait, so but it leads to be aware of because it leads to benefits. Every day you trading before and during medium news, yeah, bro. But this shit is pissing me off now. Where's it going so slow, bro? But it's before news though. But it does have an effect. Yeah, you're right, bro. Hmm. Bro, this is manipulating me, bro. So fucking hard. I don't want to be alive anymore. I don't want to be alive anymore. Kill me. Shoot me in the head. Shoot me. I'm such a fucking bad. I'm profitable. I should literally go make a shirt saying unprofitable ass trader. Unprofitable ass trader. Bro, I should look. He did that. I should, bro. I'm gonna make. I probably should go make a drop like a Shopify account and be like make a shirt called unprofitable trader here, or unprofitable ass trader. I could be unprofitable ass trader. That's gonna be me. I'm gonna wear that every single day. Cause I'm profitable. I'm unprofitable. Kinda crazy. What is it doing there, bro? Why is it going down like that? He's retesting the order block. He's retesting the breakup block. Which is down here. Boom, touched. Yup, touched that and went right back up. Boom, never mind. I'm getting manipulated every single day. Kinda great. Kill him with Crowley, mate. Show me my fucking money. I'm down so much. I'm down $800. Ooh. Ooh. Bro, I'm gonna buy more right now, bro. Go to $2, bro. I'm gonna buy even more. Go to $2, brother. Go to $2. Let me just buy fucking $5,000 worth. I'm getting manipulated every single day. I'm profitable. I cannot trade during news, bro. Why do I trade before news? Let this is right, bro. Let's see how it goes. Bro, I feel like I can read my heart, bro. Cause the reason, like, before I even took the trade, bro, listen, hear me out. Before I even take the trade, right, my heart was beeping like, oh, you're gonna lose the trade. And right when I introduced it, oh my god, bro. Right when I answered, I lost the trade. But like my heart told me before it even happened. Like he told me, like, when he warned me, I was gonna lose. Oh my god, my unprofitable ass can't reach my own heart, bro. Oh my god. I should literally bro, I gotta make a shirt. I gotta make a shirt, bro. Hold on, let me tell my friend, bro. Hold on, let me tell my friend. Bro, make a shirt called. Alright, I told him. Let's see let's see if he can make it. He's a dropshipping king. He's a branding king. He calls himself a brander. Yes, that's the other Ferrari gap. Bro, when DXY is acting like this, bro, I'm gonna get manipulated. Fucking gay. I fucking hate getting manipulated like this, bro. Manipulation. Did you enter trade again, bro? Hell no. I ain't take no more trade. I'm unprofitable, cuz. I risk 1.2%. I can't take that shit no more. I have to calm down. I risking too much. I'm unprofitable. No fucking way. No way. See, every time before news, I always get manipulated. I hate it, mate. I hate it. I fucking hate it, man. I fucking hate it. What do you mean I did what? I already took my trade. I got stop my ass out. Bro, hold on, wait. This has to be a world record, bro. It has to be a world record. I got stopped out in 3 minutes. Wait, 1, 2. No, I got stopped out in 4 minutes. Oh my god. Bro, world record loser. Hold on, I gotta see. I gotta make a video. I'm saying I'm a world record loser. I'm a world record loser. I lost it in 4 minutes. That's kind of fucking fucked up. I lost in 4 minutes. I lost in 4 minutes. I lost 1.2% in 4 minutes. I'm profitable. Wallahi, I'll get profitable. I'll be patient. I'll be confident. I'll be fearless. I'll be emotionless, and I'll be not greedy. Yes, sir. Let's get it. I gotta do that. I gotta watch that now. I gotta watch that every single day. I gotta watch that every single day. I wake up. I'm gonna look at that video. I'm gonna say, "Oh, I'm profitable. I'm gonna become profitable." Every single day. Now I'm profitable like that. I'm waiting on a breakout structure, bro. Yeah, bro. Oh shit, it's going my way, right? But I got stuck. I got stuck. Yeah, bro. Right now, level break. It's gonna rip. It's not gonna rip. It's cause like resistance. Right here, resistance. We need resistance break. You just retested this too. Oh my goodness. You ever think I'm going to higher time for the trade? Hell nah. 1 minute. It's always 1 minute time frame, okay? I'm a scalper. Oh, bro, I'm built like a crackhead, bro. Swear to God. So for the loss, for the loss, for the loss. Bro, all I know to do is just punch hard, bro. Oh my God, bro. If we can get a level break right here, we're gonna get a strong momentum to the upside. Come on, level break. Yup, you level break. You level broke. We're gonna get strong momentum. Look at this strong ass momentum I'm gonna get right here, right now. Come on, momentum, momentum. Now I'm gonna look at the video because I'm unprofitable. I'm gonna look at the video because I'm unprofitable now, bro. I lost it in 4 minutes. War record loser. I lost it. The do thing, yeah, brother. It's kind of fucking fucked up. It's kind of fucked up. I lost it 4 minutes. I lost 1.2% in 4 minutes. I'm profitable. Wallahi, I'll be profitable. I'll be patient, I'll be confident, I'll be fearless, I'll be emotionless, and I'll be not greedy. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm happy, bro. I'm happy I lost, bro. I learned a lesson, bro. I lost it in 4 minutes. It's kind of fucked up. It's kind of fucked up. I lost it 4 minutes. I lost 1.2% in 4 minutes. I'm profitable. Wallahi, I'll keep profitable. I'll be patient, I'll be confident, I'll be fearless, I'll be emotionless, and I'll be not greedy. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm a profitable trader, man. I'm a profitable trader. You're retesting these levels, bruv. I don't give a fuck about these levels, man. I'm fucking unprofitable. Shut the fuck up. Man, shut your bitch ass up, little nigga. I'm unprofitable. I'm a profitable trader. I'm profitable trader. I'm profitable trader. She. The market is going higher, though we in a small flag. Yeah, bro. It's just that news, bro. It's trying to manipulate you so bad because of news. I fucking hate my life. Shoot me in the head. I coulda, shoulda, woulda. I'm getting fucking cooked every second, bruv. Oh my God, bro. This shit coming right back now. Manipulation. Just shut out these highs, that's why. Okay, I'll retouch it in 1 minute. Madame Kareem, yo. Manipulated so fucking hard, bro. Chat, shoot me in that fucking head, dude. You know, I'm not gonna take any trade, bro. Let me make my recording. Let me post that, cause I know I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm just gonna look at the chain. I'm just gonna look at the screen. I'm not gonna take no trades. So you're doing dumb shit that what it took me. Hey, bro, that's what I like about you, bro. I'm only here for like what, almost a year now. Not me a year, like a couple months. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I will get it, bro. I promise you. I promise I'll become profitable, bro. Like there's nothing in my mind like that's just gonna like there's nothing that's gonna stop me, bro. It's not gonna be myself, cause when I do something, I put my mind to it. Although I'm losing right now, bro, in the long run, bro, I know I'm gonna make it back. Cause I ain't give a fuck about that shit. I know I'm gonna make it back, bro. It's just about fixing your mindset. But luckily, see, I was right though. You know what I'm saying? It went up, but it's just that I keep on getting manipulated. Now it's ripping. Motherfucker. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, bitch ass nigga. Fuck you, bitch ass nigga. Hold on, let me go close my door, bro, cause I don't know. So, getting manipulated every single day. Man, I'm getting manipulated every single day. It's unbearable. It's unbearable. I'm getting manipulated in life and in this. I work at a 9 to 5. I work at a fucking 9 to 5. I can't do that shit no more, bro. I gotta get fucking rich, dog. We need to close above. We need to close above. If you close above, we're gonna be chilling. Close above. Close above. Close above. Close above. Yes, close above. Close above. Rip. Now it's gonna rip. It's gonna start ripping. Let's rip. Wait, you know, last week I spent the weekend in the charts to see what I can formation to support at the key level. Bro, did you find it out? Did you find it out though? Cause like I need that too, bro. Cause I can't find it. Cause like when I do my support resistance, bro, I don't know which candle to pick from. But you know what I pick from? Is the candle which is the longest and the candle that has the bigger wick. That's what I pick out from. Yo, retest of these highs. Yup, it's gonna start ripping. It's gonna start ripping. It should start ripping bad. It's just. I'm more profitable. Bro, give me a shirt that says I'm profitable trader right here. Swear to God. Swear to God. Swear to God. I swear to God, man. I'm unprofitable. I am unprofitable. Unprofitable. Nah, motherfucker. Record loser. I lost it 4 minutes. I lost it 4 minutes. I lost 1.2% in 4 minutes. I'm profitable. Wallahi, I'll be profitable. I'll be patient, I'll be confident, I'll be fearless, I'll be emotionless, and I'll be not greedy. Yes, sir. Get it. War record loser. I lost it 4 minutes. Not funny, know what to me. I'm always getting manipulated, bro. I'm always somehow getting manipulated. Wait, I don't know why. So when I entered here, right? I want to know why he took out me. Why he took me out. Okay. He does that beforehand, though. How did he become a bitch? Hold up, chat. I gotta see how this works. Okay. Okay. Kind of weird. Okay. I'm always getting muted, okay. But I should have not said before news. I know it's gonna get muted before news. You're going for a retest again. It took out no buy. It took only one buy side liquidity. It took out a what did it took out? It took out a nothing. Damn, you spent a week, bro. I gotta do the same. I gotta work hard as you, bro. I gotta work harder, bro. Oh my god, bro. Shoot me in the head, bro. Get a gun and shoot me, bro. I want this bad. If I don't do this, I'm gonna shoot my. I can't shoot myself, but I'm gonna go to war. I'm gonna kill people. I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. Doing too much. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm back down. Relax. Relax. Alright, let's make our thing. Let's make my thing and dip out. This is the 4/2/2024 market recap and trade recap. My own profitable ass took another loss, dog. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Like, let's get over to it, man. As I wanted my daily bias, sweep off these lows, it happened. Boom, sweep off these lows, what happened? They created, like, right when I sleep, he created an order block. Break off structure to the market structure shift, touch that order block back. Right when I touched the order block, right when I touched it, boom. Respected my fair value gap on MT5. Break off structure. I entered right here because I had to wait for that close. I waited there, but I got cooked there. That shot, boom, and I was saying, boom, and I was saying in 4 minutes. That's kind of crazy, but I know what I did wrong. You know, I found out that every time before I trade, every time before news, like big news event, I always attempt to get manipulated. My model always attempt to get manipulated in some sort of way. I don't know why, but I always get manipulated before news. So now what I learned is not trade before news. Next time, I'm not gonna even trade before news, bro. I'm dead ass, bro. I'm unprofitable, man. It's like annoying now, bro. Taki, you gotta be patient, disciplined, confident, fearless, emotionless, and not greedy, man. And you can look at the market better, cause DXY wasn't even moving, dog. You know what I'm saying? It's bad, cause like, you know, although it went my way, although it just hit my take profit first, hit my first take profit easily, right? But I got manipulated. Next time, I will definitely make sure not to trade before news. I'll definitely make sure. I promise you guys. You know, I promised myself as well, you know. I always promise myself. So, but I know what I did wrong. Traded before news. And yeah, that's it. Traded before news, and I did not listen to myself. Didn't listen to my gut, because my card was saying, calm down, because my heart was beeping before I even turned into trade. Because I knew my heart's like, man, you're going to lose the fucking trade. And I look at my heart like, I entered, right when I entered, boom, 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 you know what I'm saying? Took me out. But I'm gonna stop. I'm no longer trading on news before news days. I always gotta wait for the news to come out. I promise you guys. I really promise you guys. I really do. Not you guys, myself. When I say you guys, myself, because nobody watching my YouTube video. But I will definitely become profitable. Wallahi. It's just that I gotta put my luck in, you know. I can't trade before news. I actually told myself yesterday, I'm not gonna trade before news, but I'm here today, trading before news. You know, not good, but became manipulated right when it took me out. Went right back up. I'm gonna take my take profit first, easily. But the thing is that I really gotta not trade before new days. I gotta be patient. I gotta be disciplined. I gotta be confident. I gotta be fearless. I gotta be not greedy, and I gotta be emotionless. I promise you guys, I'll come back stronger than ever. Thank you for watching. Yeah, man, I'm getting manipulated so much. I need someone to shoot me, bro. Shoot me in the head, bruv. I can't become a disgrace like this, bro. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, man. Bro, what the fuck? Wait, so when I entered there, why did it go down? Let's make sure. Let's see, I'm gonna take profit, chat. Wait, could somebody tell me why, how I lost? Wait, yo, brother. Oh, I need that. Oops. Look, G. Breaker block. Wait, didn't go to here. Wait, so I wait for 5 minute structure. Okay, what about test? This guy test. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I didn't look for 5 minute conflicts. Shoot me in the head. Okay, so 5 minute confluence after that. Okay. Got it now, dog. I'm done, bro. Peace out. See. Well, look into how to